Hello, Chef here. I got a treat for you. What do we got here? Live Maine lobster. This baby is so fresh. It was flown in from Maine, Portland, Maine. We know the guy that caught this lobster, and this is as fresh as they get. This baby's ready to go. Now, the number one thing you want to do is put the lobster out of its misery quickly. Don't drop it in a pot of water. Follow along. Sharp cleaver. Right here. Split the tail. And split right through the head. Okay, just like that. So this lobster has been cut in half, and it is now ready to go. Begin the cooking. Okay, I got a hot soup pot here, and I'm putting some olive oil in there. We're going to add the lobster, and at the same time we add the lobster, we're going to remove the rubber bands. Alright, I got a couple of carrots here, 3 small carrots, just a quick chop like this. The size is not critical, they're going right in the pot. I've got a couple of small cloves of garlic, and I've got some onion and bay leaf right here. Okay, onions going in. Carrots go in, and we let it cook. Okay, at this point we remove the tail meat from the lobster. Alright, now I've got a nice brown lobster there. My vegetables is looking really good. At this point we add 4 ounces of brandy. Next ingredient, got a homemade chicken stock right here. For the recipe, just follow along, subscribe, and check out homemade chicken stock. Straining it off. Alright, the tail meat gets removed from the tail. The shell goes back into the stock. Alright, we reserve the tail meat for the garnish, and I prefer to cut the tail meat. We should maintain the shape. It's a small lobster. Just like this, small pieces. Okay, very, very nice. And the shells, we're going to use the cleaver again and remove the meat. And we're going to bust up the shells. Okay, the shell tip here helps you remove the meat from the large claw. Does a great job though to get that meat out of there. There we go. Oh yeah, that one looks good. Real nice claw meat there. Ah, the bisque is simmering. Okay, making a quick roux here. Equal parts of flour and butter. And if you're not sure on that, just watch the other videos and you can find out more about that. Here we go. Blonde roux. Okay, I've got a little saute pan with a touch of oil, and I'm going to be adding this lobster. Oh yeah. That lobster bisque is looking really good. It's just simmering away here. I want to mention the spices. So we're putting 1 tablespoon of chopped rosemary, and we're putting 1 teaspoon of thyme. Okay, just like that. There's also a bay leaf in there. Got one of the garnishes right here. Some tomatoes, sliced thin. Just going to make a real quick brunoise. Okay, the lobster stock has been simmering for about an hour now. We're going to finish it up here real quick. Okay, I've got a smaller pot and a strainer. I'll be dumping that stock right across there. Yeah, looking really, really good. At this point, we're going to taste and adjust the seasonings. Wow. Touch of pepper. A little more sea salt. Okay, we put just enough roux to thicken the soup. It's looking really good. And we're going to be finishing with just a touch of heavy cream. And now I'd like to show you the consistency of my lobster bisque. Okay, now time to serve some of this lobster bisque. Okay, so for the lobster bisque, I've decided to garnish with a little bit of the lobster meat. Gonna be just cutting small pieces like this. Little garnish right there. One more. Right there. Okay. Another thing I'm gonna use is some of the wild chives, as well as a brunoise of tomatoes. Thanks for watching and following along. Please like, share, subscribe. Check out Chef's other recipes. keep cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Yes. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a great day. Hello, Chef here, and right now I'm sauteing some heirloom tomatoes, green and red ones. Check it out. Yeah, they're looking really good.